Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to book an extra seat on Ryanair. Okay, so before we dive into the booking process, it's essential to understand Ryanair's policy on extra seats. Ryanair allows passengers to purchase an additional seat for personal comfort. Now, these extra seats is referred to as comfort seats and ensures no one sits next to you. It's important to note that this seat does not come with additional baggage allowance. Now let's walk you through the steps to book an extra seat using the Ryanair web app. First thing I'd like you to do is to navigate to www.ryanair.com. Then once you're logged in, the next thing you like to do is to enter your departure and arrival airport and travel dates, number of passengers, and one for yourself and one for the extra seat. So once you get to number of passengers here will be sorry, I'm going to go back first so I can show you how to get that done. Number of passengers will have to be 2, so you're booking 2. Clicking that. So in here where you have number of passengers, instead of 1, just make it 2 for adults. All right, and select done, and that changes to 2. Now click on search. So go ahead and select your flights. I'm selecting this flight and I'm choosing plus, and I want to head over to the next where I have to select my seats, and I'm going to show you what to do from there. So here you're going to enter the details for the passenger, and it's for the second person. And I'm just okay now. Okay. So I'm just going to click on next step to choose my seats. All right, so that's something that we need to do right from, I'm just going to go back. So when I'm booking seats, right, since they don't require duplicate names, so what you're going to do in this particular part where you have second passenger, you have to enter the second passenger details. Now the first name should be extra instead of somebody else's name, right? Because you're not booking for 2 people. And the last name should be comfort seats. So you click on OK. So go ahead and use the same travel document details for both entries. All right, during seat selection, ensure that both seats are adjacent to each other. For example, I choose here, extra comfort seats. Then I go ahead and click on continue, and it takes me to the next page. Now, seats in emergency exit rows 1, 16 and 17 cannot be selected when booking an extra seat. You should note that. So once you're done, just go ahead and proceed to payment and complete your booking. And that's literally how it works. Now, after booking, here's how you can check in for your flight with the extra seat. So log into your account, then select my bookings at the top right corner. And once you click on that, go ahead and select your upcoming trip which you have booked. Then follow the prompts to check in both yourself and the extra seat. Ensure that the same travel document details are used for both, and after check-in, download or print both boarding passes rather. So that's pretty much how it works. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.